Hi guys, this is the first of hopefully many YouTube videos to show the progress of the workshop. As you can see behind me, we've got a little shed in the corner and I've started to dig the footings already. And as you may also be able to see, I'm on a slope. So I think I've got to make those footings a little bit deeper. But hopefully, come the summer, I'll have my workshop down there all kitted out, ready to hopefully start making some arcade cabinets. So there's the shed that's about to go, and there's some of the footings. And for those eagle-eyed viewers, you may see my beehives in the background. Hopefully in the workshop I'm going to have a nice window that looks straight out onto the bees. It's January the 26th and yep, it's cold, but it's not been that cold because some of the bees have been out today. But hopefully this will be my view out of my window in my workshop, and you'll be able to see my woodworking skills hopefully when I gain them, and you'll hopefully be able to see some of my beekeeping skills as well. So it's kind of a twofer. But as I say, please subscribe and keep an eye on the channel for updates on the progress of the workshop and the beekeeping.